Hi, Sassy Scrappers. Hey, this is Steph. I had to try to figure out some way to make it so you could see everything. So hopefully this is working. Maybe if I put the trimmer over here, I wanted to show you my new system that I got in yesterday. I have the mat here, gray mat. It's fairly thin, it's not real heavy, but it does not let anything slide around on it, which is very good. And it kind of like sets my space. Here's my workspace right here, and then I got everything else around it. I have my 13 by 13 inch cutting mat here with my ruler. I have my craft mat over here because I do like to use a lot of inking, and you cannot ink on this. So I have my little craft mat here, and then I have my trimmer over here. And up here you can see that I have my layout studio up here. I have the ruler. Haven't even taken the ruler out of the plastic yet. I should probably do that, shouldn't I? But it still works even with it in the plastic. I have the little magnets. See, it just clips on right there. I have the magnets here in the middle that I can pull out. I haven't used this at all yet. But girls, let me tell you, somebody said something about another brand was peeling off. This is not going to peel off. It's like a leather, a heavy leather, and it's stitched all the way around. Has real heavy magnets in here. I mean, it's not heavy. I mean, I can pick it up with one hand, but it has some substance to it, which is good because, you know, we want them to last for a while. And that's one thing that we can usually always say about Creative Memories, that usually the products that they make are substantially better made quality-wise than a lot of the others. So there's the magnets. Now, what I thought I would do is, I'm sorry to say that the new Simple Page Kit for America's 250th birthday, I have it here. I did not order any extra, and they are sold out. So kind of a bummer, huh? But here's the Simple Page Kit. I thought maybe I would kind of put that together and do it up on the board up here, and we'll see how it goes. So cool stickers, aren't those cool? I don't think we're going to be doing anything for the 4th of July, so I don't know what I'm going to use the pictures for, but you know, we'll do something. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting one of my papers here, and probably I should line it up. You can line it right up there. And I'll take another magnet. I have also heard some people say that the magnets on some of the other brands are so hard you can't get them on and off. That was pretty simple. I'll stick this right there. I'm going to get a clip here and clip this in the middle. But I have not done that yet either. But I wanted to get on here and show you. Okay, so I'm going to line it right up and put one in each corner. There we go. Okay, so everything's square and dandy here. Need to pull this down just a freckle. There we go. Isn't that cool? Okay, so now, here's my ruler. Now I'm going to take my trimmer and I'm going to cut, as it says on the back. There's cut number 1. Number 2. I got some flags here, banners, and it wants me to cut. And I've got all this workspace free. Okay, I'm going to set that back over here. Oops, I got to cut these this way. And if I was really good, I could have just put these up there right when I need to trim that one a little bit when I was cutting them. But I had the back side, so I really wasn't looking at what I was cutting. I was just cutting on the lines. And these are good. So anyway, so now I'm going to look on my thing here and see that this goes right there. So I'm just going to stick it there with a magnet. I'm going to trim these down just a little bit. I evidently didn't get quite close enough, and so there's just a little red on the edge. I'm going to trim that off, and one goes down here. Trim this one just a freckle. I forget who it is. Somebody gets a kick when I said freckle. Okay. This one goes over on my other page over here. And then a photo goes here. And this is the other one that goes up here. So I'm just going to take that and go there. And then I have these little flags that go up in the top corner. I'm just going to cut on the lines. But I've got all that stuff up there, and I don't have to worry about it down here now. Okay, there's one. Oops. Let's see. I think this is the one that goes on the very bottom. So I'm going to take that, put it up there, and then this one. Goes kind of right beside it. I think it's supposed to be a little bit shorter. I like them different lengths. And then this is the littlest one. I think they made them all the same length, and I think you have the opportunity to make them the different lengths that you want by hanging them over the top edge. I'm going to trim just a freckle off of that one. It has a little checkered part on it there that's not supposed to be there, I think. Well, I didn't get it off. There we go. Okay, and then this one's supposed to be even shorter, so I'm going to put that one up here. Actually, I can take one magnet and hold all of those and get them adjusted to the height that I want them. And then I'll kind of know how I want them. Sticking that one there. Just okay, now looky here. Look how crooked those are. Those are not good. So let's take our magnetic ruler and just stick it down here at the bottom, and it'll hook on right down here. And I'm just going to make sure I've got lined up evenly. I really do need to get my little clip to clip that right in the middle so it doesn't mess stuff up. And I am going to put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right on the 1/2 inch mark. Okay, so then I'm just going to set this right on that 1/2 inch. And this one then I'm going to set right on the 1/2 inch. And that looks much better, doesn't it? Lined up down there. Okay. And then that one I could do the same thing with. It doesn't look too bad, actually. And this is grid paper, too. So this grid paper, you can just use your grids, too. And then this one, we want it to be about the same height up as this side over here. So I'm just going to take my ruler over here and put it on a 1/2 inch and a 1/2 inch. And so I'm going to drop that down just a little bit so that they're the same across. That usually makes for a nicer view. And that one like that. Okay, so I've got it all up there. Now all I have to do, and you can do it different ways as well. And you can either just go ahead and, you know, take them off. There's not a lot of layering on this one, so it's not a big deal. And I just twisted that one, didn't I? Line it up with my grids and attach it right here. Or I can take this and fold up the bottom and lay it down on my table and adhere it all. So whichever way. Now, obviously this one, we would want to put some embellishments up. There's supposed to be a 4x4 picture here, a 4x4 picture here as well. But there are, you know, the stickers that we can embellish things with as well, which would make it fun. I think they put a little border down here on this, and then some of the other embellishments around different places. So, but anyway, it's just kind of using this board as, you know, something to look at. And like I said, I am going to find one of my little Creative Memories clips here, see? And I can stick this right here, smack dab in the middle, and just clip it on. And that's going to hold my magnets right there in the middle so they don't get in the way when I'm trying to do other things. And I can just easily grab them, okay? So that is that. And so far, I think I'm liking it. Like I said, I have never thought that this would be something that I would want to use, but I'm going to use it and finish up this page and put some embellishing on it, and we'll see how it goes. But I think it's a great product. It's very well built, very well built. And like I said, this kind of defines my workspace. I can work here and then design it up here, you know, like I was pulling these at different lengths and stuff to see how I liked them. And I think that'll be cool that you can really see the whole thing without looking down over the top. You never got to see the perspective of it just quite right, the depth and all that kind of stuff. Whereas if it's up here, you're looking at it, you can see the whole thing at one time, and it's looking right back at you. So if you're interested in one of these, I do know that they're going hot, especially the blue ones. There's black ones and blue ones, and the blue ones I know are hot. So that means that they're selling pretty quickly. So if you're interested, you can buy the mat and the system here with the magnets and the ruler, or you can just get the system. It still has the magnets and the rulers, but you don't get the desk mat. I think that's $89, but the whole kit with the desk mat and everything was $100, so it was 10% off for that. So a little bit better deal, but if you don't need the desk mat, you don't need it. So you just will save that money. So anyway, just let me know, and if you have any questions about it, let me know that as well. And those of you that did purchase it from me already, bring it next week to our Wacky Wednesday, as we have wonderful Wacky Wednesday, and we'll use it when we put our pages together and see how that works for everybody, okay? So anyway, have a great day and stay sassy.